Hello, you guys, and welcome back to Next to Godliness. I have a Temu cleaning tools video for you today, so I won't make this intro too long, but don't forget to subscribe, like this video, leave me a comment down in the comment section, and keep watching.
What it's worth, I've never not overthinking.
Alright, so I think you're going to be surprised to find out what these two things are for, but I'm not going to give it away just yet. Let me know down in the comment section if you can tell me what those two things were. These sponges are so cute. They look just like little cakes.
It's cynicism on listening, but you seem to make me feel different. For what it's worth, I always seem to be breathing, trying to word how I'm feeling.
So if you guessed that those were little prong covers for the dishwasher, you were right. I will insert a picture of my fingers, over a week later, the shape that they're still in from putting these things on there. I really should have stopped way sooner than I did. I didn't even cover all the ones that had rust on them, but I did get enough of them covered to where I don't have to move stuff around forever in the dishwasher to get the nipples and stuff on ones that aren't rusted out.
Deciding your car will go driving through canyons into a deserted Milky Way, the summer stars, I can only be certain.
This is what they look like afterwards, and I am actually very impressed and really do like these, and they were very much worth $1.50. And you do have enough of them to cover all of the prongs in your dishwasher, by the way. But all right, I'm just gonna go ahead and wash some dishes with the sponge and see how it holds up, and it did really well. I ended up washing all the dishes, and then I cleaned the countertops and stuff off. I didn't record that, but it held up really well, and I really like the sponges. They do really good. The magic erasers, you get 20 for like $1.50 or something, and they work just as good, if not better, than the ones from Dollar Tree for sure. And the original magic eraser, it works just as good as that one as well. Maybe not the magic eraser that is for tough stains or hard cleaning that's got like the bumpy side on it. Those are a lot stronger for sure than any magic eraser, but the original magic eraser, they work just as good as those for sure.
It's worth, I either feel like I'm too much or conscious that I'm gonna fall short. With you I forget what it's all for. For what it's worth, I'm always gazed at the ceiling, searching for some kind of meaning.
So this mop I actually got from a store. It's basically just a store where they sell Amazon returns. I didn't realize it's missing the lid that scrapes off the water and the dirt. So basically, I was so happy when I found this mop for $7. I think it was either $5 or $7, and it has the little scraper tool. So the mop bucket has two sides, to where you can put cleaner in one side and then water to rinse it on the other side, the dirty water. You don't need a bucket with two sides on it. Instead of putting it down in there and just using the scraper thing to pull the clean water up to the part that it couldn't reach because the mop is wider than the bucket, I had pulled the mop head off and switched it around, and then not realizing that it can only go flat to go into the scraper if it's flipped the right way, because it has like a little divot in it. But yeah, just a regular mop bucket would be fine. But like I was saying though, just use the scraper thing to pull the water up the whole mop head if your mop head is wider or longer than your mop bucket is tall.
You empathize, I can feel it. Person deciding your car will go driving through canyons into a deserted Milky Way, the summer stars, I can.
So the laundry laundry brush worked amazing. I love that thing. I like being able to put the laundry detergent in the back of it, and then I can just pour it over stuff because I rinse a lot of clothes out in my bath because I have a baby, you know. I can just literally fill that up and it lasts a long time, just pouring it over clothes to rinse out in the shower.
I'll be gone all night. I'll be gone all night. I'll be coming home. Coming home. I'll be coming home. I'll be home. I'll be dead again. I've been in my head again.
The dryer lint attachment for your vacuum, I was not impressed with. I was not able to go outside to vacuum it from the outside. It had been raining for like 3 days, and I wasn't able to go outside and vacuum it from the hole that vents outside. But you can do it from both sides, or both holes. That sounds so bad.
I've been in my head again. I've been in my
The blinds cleaner, I like it, but I don't like these cheap blinds. We are going to start replacing these blinds slowly, one at a time if we have to, with some really good thick wood blinds is what I want to get, because I will never buy these cheap blinds again. They break so easily. But the blinds cleaner, it was pretty good, but not if you're like for some in-between dusting, for sure. Some hard cleaning like I was doing wasn't the best. It did work well for cleaning 3 at a time. I did like that aspect of it.
I want to let you see, so how it feels like this trial chains on me. I know it feels like I wanna know.
But yeah, here is the last cleaning tool. If you guessed that the little paw was a window mirror cleaner, then you were right. This thing was pretty impressive. On one side, it's got like a sticky side, and I don't know if I was using it right because it didn't have instructions, but it has a sticky side, and I think you go over it first with the sticky side, and it like makes all the dust tacky, and then you go over it with the sponge side. Anyways, I really liked the mirror slash window cleaner, probably just mostly for mirrors, but anyways, I really liked it. But
I wanna know who you really are, what you dream about at night. I know it feels like.
alright guys, that is going to be it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on that notification bell, like this video, leave me a comment down in the comments section, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
I know it feels like. I know it feels like.